Good morning class. Today this is your revision class, and in this class you will know about noun and kinds of noun. As I told you that noun is naming word. Noun is naming word, and the definition of noun is a name of any person, place, animal or thing is called noun. And noun often use articles or determiner a, an or the. A, an or the. So what is noun? Noun means all naming words are called noun. Everything which we find around us is noun. Whether it is common noun, proper noun, compound noun, collective noun, or any other noun like material noun, abstract noun, or concrete noun. We will learn about kinds of noun. First is common noun. A common noun means a general name given to any people or thing in common. A common noun is a noun that refers to people or thing in common or in general. For example, boy, man, box, lamp, TV, window, pillow and paintings, and so on. Common nouns are everywhere and you use them all the time. We use common nouns to denote a class of object or concept. Means any common or general name given to a person, place or thing is common noun. And proper noun means name of any particular person, place, animal or thing is called proper noun. Means a specific name given to any person, any place or thing or idea is proper noun. And a proper noun always starts with capital letter. We write common noun in small letter, but proper noun always starts with capital letter. For example, Allahabad, Kanpur, Ramayana, Rahul, Ravi, Neha, Suman, Vishnu Bhavan Public School. It is the name of a particular school. School is common noun, but Vishnu Bhavan Public School is proper noun because it is a name, a specific name, a particular name of a school. Okay, now compound noun. Compound noun means the noun that is made up of two or more words. The noun that is made up of two or more words is called compound noun. Compound means mixture or mix up of something. A compound noun made up of two or more existing words. Two or more existing words. For example, keyboard. Keyboard we use in computer. Keyboard. Key plus board. Key plus board is cat food or play group. Cat plus food. Cat food. Play plus ground. Playground. A compound noun is usually noun plus noun or noun plus adjective. Adjective plus noun or noun plus noun. Compound nouns are words for people, animal, place, thing or idea made up of two or more words. Some more example like bedroom, six pack, bus stop, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, haircut. Material noun. Material nouns means a substance or ingredient which we use to make new things. A substance or an ingredient, a material that we use to make new thing. We can touch it and see it. Definition of material noun is: material noun is a grammar term that refers to a material or substance from which things are made, such as silver, gold, iron, cotton, diamond, and plastic. Means material nouns is used to make new things. For example, I have a gold ring. The ring is made up of gold. So gold is material noun. Countable noun. Countable nouns means the thing which we can count is by using number is countable noun. And uncountable noun means the thing which the noun which we cannot count by using number is called uncountable noun. Countable means which we can count, and uncountable means which we cannot count. For example, dog, man. We can count dog and man. An uncountable noun means rice, tea, sugar, beauty, love, water. All these things we cannot count. So these are uncountable nouns. And we use some, lots of, much, abide for uncountable noun. Now collective noun. Collective noun means a group of any person or thing is called collective noun. For example, class. Class is collection of students. Class is collection of students. Team, army, family, audience. Collective noun means collection of any people, collection of people or thing. As bunch of key. Collective noun is a collection of a group of anything or person. Okay class. So this is enough for today. In the next video, we will learn about singular noun and plural noun and rule to form plural. And your homework is learn all definitions of noun and kinds of noun.